Now, I sent back the vaccines because we're going to be introducing natural herbs.
You come back with this boogie yaga foolishness.
Marcus, remember your pressure. Remember your heart.
Pressure? Are you a pressure me? You pressure me like a 100-year-old hog. Look, let me tell you something. Me put you here to act on my behalf. And right now, you're making me look stupid, Maxine. Me need you out of the office here. No. Me need you to leave. No.
Well, Marcus, that's not how it works. I will exit office when I am ready to exit office.
So, I gather you did a research. Where is my proposal?
Have you checked your email?
No, I didn't. Let me check it now. Okay, Miss Efficient. Let me get a glance at this. Okay, this looks like a lot to read right now. I'll read it later, but can you give me a synopsis now?
Yes, I would have done my research. Do you know that there is 1,000 acres of land currently available, besides the 800 I was given to the Chinese, that is livable? So we could probably look at developing these spaces.
Hold on. Okay. Gum?
Sure, thank you.
So let me understand what you're saying now. 1,000 acres of livable land. Where are these places?
I am happy you asked. There's currently the Peak Mountain, Trident Barrows, Lost Acres, and even Gateway Estates.
Interesting. So, I see you did your homework. But, did you fact check all of this?
Yes. So I was thinking actually we could probably start with like a 2-bedroom housing unit for low-income earners or, single parent family. And we could probably price it at about 6.5 million, since there are financial institutions currently lending, families like those 7.5 million. So you could probably charge them about 30,000 monthly. That's not a lot, right?
Slow your roll. Slow your roll. You're going a little bit too fast. First, we'll have to find investors who are willing to team up on this project, who believe in the project, and who don't want a killing in profit at the end.
But you do have a lot of investor friends, right?
I know a lot of investors. Friends is a whole different thing. You don't miss friends with business.
What you say? When you ready to leave? Well, me want you to leave now. Like right now, Maxine. You have no business being in this chair. I thought you were quite fit and capable, but obviously you're not. So I need you out of here no later than Monday morning at 7:59. Come on there at 8 o'clock.
Marcus, let's put things into perspective, shall we? Now, since you've been on leave, there are a few things that I have done and I plan to continue while you're on leave. So you remember SSL? When you were planning to have the taxpayers pay off the monies that they had no knowledge of? I sorted that. It's now paid in full. All right? Remember the athletes that you completely ignored, the ones that were going here and there worldwide and spreading the Jamaicanness. Well, finally, we are giving them the attention and the recognition and the funds that they deserve. What about the natural herbs that you're fighting against? We are now saving $8 million by just using our own organic, homegrown, natural herbs. Marcus.
You leave out the fact that you cost taxpayers millions of dollars by signing off and putting an athlete on the $100 bill just because you felt like it?
Well, Marcus, not because I felt like it, only because, well, he deserved it. And you said you want me out of this office by Monday? Well, unless they're going to be calling an election on Sunday, I will be right here because I feel like I want to run for this office.